That thing ropes up there a ways. Did you know that?
It is.
Nice rope. Man, it's spinning. I can see that rope spinning like crazy with the naked eye. Can you?
Yeah. It's not real powerful.
No. It's pulling these other clouds. It's pulling this other stuff into it, though.
Yes, David. I'm about 2 miles north of where I was, and I got a funnel roping out, and it's halfway condensed, and we got it. I'm sorry I ain't got it on stream, just no data, but it don't appear to be on the ground. It's just really an amazing sight. It's kind of dissipating.